Hi, this is your BGS Michael. Today I brought you the injector puller for a BMW engine. The set contains everything you need to disassemble stuck injectors. To show you the disassembly in detail, I've prepared a cylinder head. Here you can see the injector with the electronic unit. A disassembly attachment for the electronic unit is in the set. BGS has other sizes in the range. To disassemble the electronic unit, we release the nut with the dismantling attachment. In order to disassemble the injector completely, we now have to remove the retaining ring inside. This attachment for the retaining ring is also available separately in the assortment of BGS technique. To set up the dismantling bridge, we first have to screw in the retaining pins. Now we put on the dismantling bridge. The special thing about it is that it has long holes and you can change positions. The slots ensure exact positioning above the injector. A big advantage of the dismantling bridge is that you do not have to remove the cylinder head. Now we put the extracting spindle in the ball bearing of the dismantling. Again, a top tool from BGS Technique, your BGS Michael.